All right, good morning, boys and girls. Today we have Chapter 1, Practice 1, called Counting. And it says, write each number shown. So I'm going to look at the example to start with. And I'm going to just write a big number inside of each one of these, okay? So let's count this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Now I kind of want to just show you something. The reason I did this was I wanted to have the 2, 6, 5, and 1 because I wanted to match my 2, my 6, my 5, and my 1. So let's do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lily's getting a drink of water. She drinks kind of loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's nothing here, so that would be a 0. So just like in our example, I want to go through and write down the numbers in order again. So we have 4 in the thousands, 6 in the hundreds, 5 in the tens, 0 in the ones. So those two numbers should match, just like we did up top with the example. Again, 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, let's go to page 2. So here's where, when going through, let's use the back of our blue folder, and we can get all of our answers in there. What I'd like to do before I go through them is I want to say the actual numbers. So I want to say this as how we would say it if we were going to tell someone what number that is. So we would say 2,830. Then we look at the back of the blue folder, and we would write down exactly what we said. So 2,830. We'll do the same thing for this one. 7,000. 100. 18. 3,000. 200. 97. 1,000. 800. 5. Notice on that one, we don't put 0, 5 or no tens 5. We just do it just like if we would say the numbers would be 1,805. The pineapple. And again, when we say that, we would say 3,009. And number 8. 4,040. Okay. The last page for today I'm sorry, we have 2. Page 3 and 4. So write each number in the box. So I'm going to write my number, 9,000. I'm going to write it in standard form. 9,000. 1,400. 6,835. So again, 6,835. And again, you can be using your blue folder here and looking at the words before you write them down. That would work out really well. 3,260. Now be careful, that's 60 as in 60, right? 30, 40, 50, 60. 3,206. Ooh, that's tricky. Look at that. This right here is the only thing different in those two numbers. But this is 206 for this one. The other one's 260. Oh, that's tricky. 5,068. Well, wait. How many hundreds? Remember? Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. I didn't hear anything. So what do we write down? Still got to put in our 0 for place value. Very good. So 5,068. 2,070. So kind of the same thing again. We want to make sure we put our 0 in there in the hundreds. And on this one, hundreds and the ones. 5,000. So 5 in the thousands. 5,000. What do we have left? 9. Just 9. So 0, 0. 9. Now we're going to match our numbers. 5,009, we just did that one. That was M. 1,400. O. 6,835. N. 2,070. K. 5,068. E. 3,206. Oh, so it'd be a Y, not the D, right? Monkey. That's the tricky one about that one. And our very last one. Count on by ones, tens, hundreds, or thousands. Fill in the missing numbers. Well, sometimes I like to see what's the same, and let's just kind of get rid of those. So I look on each of these numbers. I see that each one starts with a 20. You see that? Now I look at it and I see 65, 66, something, 68, 70. Well, 65, 66, very good. 67, 68, yeah, 69. Now, that isn't our answer though, is it? We still need to add and make sure it's 2,000 for both of those. So, well, let's go, or this one you really could have covered up all three. You could have gone 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then gone to 70. So let's look at this. 7,543, 7,553. I see the 7,500 part looks the same. So 43, 53, 63, 73. Let's go backwards. 73, 63, 53, 43, 33. Very good. What comes before 33? 23. All right. And let's go through. And let's make sure that we have 7,500 on all of those. Whew. Take a quick break. All right. I'm looking at these. I see. Got it. Let's cover these up. Now I see 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. See that? And then let's add in 07, 07, 07. All right, last one of these. You see what's the same on each of those? You find it? Yeah. 54, 54, 54, 54. So I see 36, 46, 76, and 86. So 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86. And then we're going to add 54. And really, we had 654 on all of those, didn't we? You could have gone that way and just counted by ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either one's great. Speaking of counting by ones, here we go. It says count by tens. but we're really going to count by ones. So here's 76, and we're going to count by ones. So we're going to say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's go to 13. And then we're going to add a 6 here, 6, and a 6, 6. Okay? And these start with a 0 here, don't they? And then we get to the 9, it has to go to 10. And then it's in the thousands, so we put a 1 in the thousands column for all of those. Now we start at 1076. It says color in. I'm just going to circle them for now. Next one is 1086, so let's find that one. Okay, 1096. 1106. 1116. 1126. 36. Now I didn't finish these, but I do see more over here, right? We have 1146 and 1156. Okay, boys and girls, great work with Chapter 1, Practice 1. We'll see you soon with Practice 2.